Welcome to Scriptico. Today, we're diving into the powerful feature of array destructuring in JavaScript. This technique can significantly simplify how you access and work with array elements. Let's get started. First, let's understand that arrays in JavaScript are not just simple lists of values. Under the hood, they are actually objects. Each item in an array is mapped internally to an object where the index acts as the key, and the item itself is the value. Destructuring arrays allows you to extract multiple values from an array and assign them to variables in a single line. This is similar to object destructuring because arrays are objects. Destructuring is particularly useful in various scenarios. For example, you can extract specific items by index. Notice how we skip the second and third elements by leaving gaps with commas. You can also use destructuring with default values, which is handy if you're not sure if a certain index will exist. Destructuring can be particularly handy when working with large arrays or extracting data from nested arrays. Let's look at an example with nested arrays. You might wonder why not just use traditional indexing to access array elements. Destructuring is useful because it makes your code more readable and concise. It's especially handy when dealing with multiple values or when extracting values from arrays returned by functions or APIs. Here, destructuring makes it clear what each value represents and avoids multiple lines of code. Destructuring arrays in JavaScript is a powerful feature that can make your code cleaner and easier to read. By understanding how arrays are internally represented as objects and using destructuring effectively, you can simplify your code and handle array data more efficiently. Give it a try in your projects and see how it can improve your coding experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Scriptico for more coding tutorials.